Welcome to Insight Orchard. We are thrilled to introduce you to Insight Orchard, your new go-to source for in-depth insights into Apple's cutting-edge technologies. At Insight Orchard, our mission is to empower you by unlocking the full potential of Apple's AI and machine learning technologies. Whether you're a developer looking to enhance your apps, a tech enthusiast eager to stay ahead of the curve, or simply curious about how AI is shaping our world, you're in the right place. What to expect? Here's what you can expect from our channel. 1. Tutorials and guides. Step-by-step tutorials on integrating Core ML into your apps, creating custom models with Create ML, and leveraging Siri shortcuts for enhanced user experiences. 2. Latest news and updates. Stay informed with the latest developments in Apple's AI initiatives, software updates, and industry trends. 3. Expert insights. Deep dives into how AI and machine learning are transforming technology, with analyses that bridge the gap between complex concepts and practical understanding. 4. Community engagement. Join a growing community of like-minded individuals. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and collaborate with others passionate about Apple's innovations. If you're excited about exploring the forefront of Apple's technology, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to embark on this journey with us. Let's keep the conversation going. Follow us on social media for more content and real-time updates. Have questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop a comment below or reach out to us directly. Here's a sneak peek at some of the exciting content we have lined up. From unlocking the secrets of Core ML to exploring the possibilities of augmented reality with AR Kit, there's something for everyone. Thank you for watching our introduction video. We're incredibly excited to grow this orchard of insights with you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.